Lots of fun stories and happy stories actually coming out of Lyons today as those people have been finally evacuated after a couple of days. They're being transported now to an evac center just outside of Longmont, very close to Lyons. Corey Rose has been there all morning long as these folks are starting to come off there. I know they're very, very tired, but it's good finally they're in a safe place.
Yeah, Greg, they are tired, but they're very happy that they're here and they're out of Lyons. I have two residents with me right now. I have Ann, Lori, and Mike. Thank you guys so much for joining me. How are you guys feeling right now?
Yeah, tired and delirious.
We're kind of tired. It looks like my folks made it from Mapleton Hill and Boulder to come pick us up here, so that's amazing. But we're really happy to be here, and Lyons, it's completely different, and we love Lyons, and we miss you guys. We hope to be home soon.
Aww. So just describe to us what you guys went through the last 2 days or so through this whole ordeal.
2 days ago. The river was rising. There was a lot of rain, and we live right across the street from the creek. And I was kind of keeping my eye on it, watching the creek come up. And then the last night, it was coming up really fast. It probably came up like 10 feet in over the course of 2 days. So it got really fast. And so that night, I was kind of going out every once in a while and looking at shining a flashlight down there. And we saw a sheriff, and he said for us to make sure we had a kit bag ready to go.
Yeah.
And so we did, and then it kept coming up, and finally we heard the sirens go off, and so we just got out. We could hear him say something about a dam being compromised, so we're just like, we're going. So it was pretty crazy. And then we drove up. It just said go to higher. They just said go to higher ground. Nobody kind of knew where to go, so we just drove up as far as we could. And there's a graveyard up there that's up on a hill, and we went up there and just kind of hunkered down in our Volvo for the night.
Wow.
And then the next night we were in the elementary school. They had the shelter there.
Yeah. I was really worried. There's a lot of artists and musicians in Lyons, and our neighbors Eben and Annie and Brian and Jesse. He's a professional drummer, and they're guitarists, and everybody was scrambling to get their instruments up to higher ground, and they helped Mike, he's a guitarist too, get his stuff into the garage. We were really worried about it, but my husband's a hero. He woke us up and saved our lives.
Yeah.
Do you guys know about your home?
Yeah, we for some reason we're really lucky because we live right on the river, but we live on the high side of the river, and everything on the other side, the south side of the river, and out east of us is just inundated. And our house, the water came up pretty close, but it stayed away. So last we saw, it was okay, but it was crazy. I've never seen anything like that in Colorado. I've been here 45 years, and I've never seen anything like that.
I know, it's unbelievable. Well, we're happy you guys are okay. Thank you so much for stopping and talking with us. And I'm glad you guys have a ride.
Thanks.
Yeah, thank you guys so much. So again, we're here at the Life Bridge Church. This is where they're bringing those 2,500 residents from Lyons that have been up there.